Namaste, welcome to Babita's Easy Recipes. Today in this video you can see how I am preparing this chicken fry recipe. So to marinate the chicken, first we have to make one paste. So I am using garlic, then ginger, then green chilies, few peppers, curd, 3 spoons of curd I am using, then turmeric powder, salt, chili powder, this is roasted cumin seeds, 1 spoon dhania powder, coriander powder. So first we have to make one paste with all this. Now I am adding gram flour powder, 1 spoon, 1 tablespoon you can say. Then 2 spoons of corn flour powder. Little lemon juice. Now mix everything nicely. Put the masala inside the cuts also. Now I'm keeping it aside for 1 hour. So after 1 hour or like 1.5 hour, I'm going to fry this chicken. So cook this chicken on low flame, low to medium like that. So I'm cooking this, frying this chicken on low flame only, so that it should cook nicely from inside also. So friends, you can see chicken frying is done now. So friends, you can see my chicken fry is ready. I hope you will like this recipe. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much friends. Take care.